kids and toddlers. Today I'm making a tie-dye shirt. Let's start it.
What do we have for that?
We have 5 different colors.
Yeah.
They're blue, green, yellow, violet, and red.
And what
we
else?
have gloves, rubber bands,
And
and we need water too.
let's start it.
And we need a shirt.
Of course.
For my shirt, I'm going to do a swirl pattern. Swirl, 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 swirl. It's ready now, the rubber bands.
Okay.
Now I'm doing the gloves.
So the shirt is ready so far.
These
We
gloves are
added
too
the rubber bands to it. And it's all wet, ready for the dye.
big. These are too big. Those are too big.
That's fine. You wear the gloves that you prefer and get ready for the dye.
There's red, blue, yellow, green, and violet.
What colors do you want for your shirt? Okay, you chose red and blue.
Yep.
Let's add some water and the dye will be ready.
To put on the shirt.
Okay.
I added the water to the red color and the blue color. I'll give it a shake.
Okay, ready for use.
I'm gonna do a pattern. First time with red and blue.
Okay, you can start. So adding the red. Okay. Lots of concentration. Good job.
Now blue.
Okay. The next one will be blue. Good job. Great. And then after, as Chris said, he's gonna continue with the pattern. So he's going to add the red now. Good job. The shirt will look so beautiful. That's great. Now the blue.
Again.
Yeah. Good job.
Now red again.
Now red. I'll help you a little bit to squeeze the red in here. That's it. Now blue. Great. Well done. Then red. Then blue. Good job.
It looks like a red and blue hat.
Yes.
We wait and then we wait for 8 minutes to take it off, the rubber bands. We finish the colors, we'll wait a little bit, then Mummy will wash it, then it will be all done. And then we'll take the rubber bands off. And it will be all dry. While waiting for my shirt, now we're gonna do Mommy's shirt.
Okay. So mommy wants violet
Yep.
and green and yellow. So we're gonna prepare these colors for mommy's shirt. For my shirt, I want to do this design. So I'm gonna try my best to do the same as this one. The colors will be purple from outside, violet from outside, yellow in the middle, and green around the yellow. So first I'll do the swirl in the middle
And
then I'll tie it with a rubber band. Chris is helping me. We prepare the middle. Now around this middle, I'm gonna try to do some little swirl and tie them with the rubber band. Like Christian got the rubber band, he's doing it for me.
Mommy's shirt is done getting done with the rubber bands. Now Mommy's gonna wash it and it looks like a pirate hat.
Okay.
Mommy's shirt is wet and ready. We finished the yellow and the green color. I'm giving a shake to the violet color.
All three colors are ready now for Mommy's shirt. So I'm gonna put the yellow for the middle, the green around the middle, and the violet for the rest of the shirt. I hope it will look nice.
Mommy's gonna do the yellow, then I'm gonna do the green and violet.
So I'm gonna add the yellow
In the middle.
into the middle. I think the middle is yellow. Now around the yellow we're gonna put the green. Chris will help me adding the green together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and one more here, 6. Is there any more? 7. Yes, that's all.
One here.
Then
One here.
is there anyone here? 8, and then 9.
That's all.
Then we're gonna put the violet for the around. You start. Good job. While Christian is adding the violet, I'm gonna add some yellow here around also. So it's gonna be green and yellow in the middle and violet for the outside. I hope it will look nice. I'll add some more green to look a bit dark. Then, wow, beautiful. It started to look so nice. Can you do this one now? This? Great. I love these three colors together. Great, well done. Okay, now I have an idea. I just want to add a few drops of the purple into the yellow, just to the middle. So now we have to wait a little bit of time. Then we take off the rubber bands and we wash it and we have a look. We're coming back.
Kids, my mom washed my shirt. Now I'm gonna see the rubber band, how it looks like. I'll take it off and I'll see how it looks like.
Okay.
Let's take the rubber bands off.
1, 2, 3.
Last but not least.
And 4. Wow! Look at that! Open it! Oh my God! Look at this shirt! It's just beautiful! Well done! You like it?
Yep.
Now we need to put it outside, hang it to dry.
Yep. My mom will wash her shirt. Then I'll help my mom to take the rubber bands off.
Okay.
I'll take the rubber bands off for my mom.
Okay. I'm so excited to see how it will look like. Wow, I'll help you a little bit. It's It's hard to take them off. One is off. The middle one is almost off. Great. Another one is off.
Another one is off.
We still have some more, like here.
It's going cool.
Yes. Let's see how the colors will look like. Wow. I'm so excited to see my shirt. Another one is off. Almost done. Yeah.
Ready to see Mommy's shirt?
Of course. Wow, look at that. It's beautiful.
We can hang it on the drying now.
Yes. Let's hang it to dry and then it'll be ready to wear.
Where?
Yay!
Thanks for watching. I hope you like my video. Try that shirt. Bye.